In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Asana tasks to Excel rows automatically with two-way sync 5 minutes. To begin, have Excel and Asana open side by side. In Asana, pull up the project you want to sync. In Excel, open the workbook and sheet where you want your tasks to appear. Having both visible makes it easier to confirm everything as you go. In Excel, head to the Add-ins area. Depending on your version, this may be labeled Get Add-ins or Office Add-ins. Use the search bar to find the Unito add-in, then choose Add to install it. This brings Unito's sync controls right into Excel, so you don't need to switch tools later. Once the Unito panel opens, click Create Workflow. Think of a workflow as the bridge that moves task data between Asana and your worksheet. You'll use it to define which tasks to include, how they map to columns, and how updates travel. When prompted, sign into Asana within the add-in and authorize access. This permission lets Unito read and write tasks in your chosen project, so changes in Excel can be reflected back in Asana and vice versa. Next, select the Asana project you want to sync and the specific Excel sheet that will hold your tasks. For best results, make sure your sheet has clear column headers. If your data is formatted as a table, Unito will usually detect the headers automatically and reduce alignment issues. Choose a two-way flow direction. That means edits in Asana update Excel and edits in Excel update Asana. This is great for teams that manage tasks in both places. Just remember that whichever side you edit last will be the version that sticks, so keep your workflow organized. Set rules to filter which tasks sync. You can include tasks by tag, section, or other attributes, so only relevant work is pulled in. This keeps your sheet focused and avoids clutter from archived or unrelated tasks. Now match Asana fields to your Excel columns. Map task name to your title column, due date to a date column, assignee to a person column, and status or completion to the appropriate field. For dates, ensure your column is formatted as a date in Excel. If you use custom fields in Asana, line them up with dedicated columns. Start the flow. Unito will pull in existing tasks and keep everything updated automatically. Make a quick test change in Excel, like adjusting a due date, and watch it appear in Asana. If anything looks off, revisit your filters or field mappings, then let the sync run and enjoy a constantly up-to-date task sheet.